Shared Action Africa is all about empowering refugee women and girls to achieve some sort of self-sustainability and independence economically and socially, such that they can learn how to cope in their different circumstances.
Akatuconnect na Priscilla wa Shared Action Africa. Akakuja naye akatusapoti sana kabisa, tukafurahia sana. Muonesha kama tuko na shida, mashine zinaharibika kila saa, hatuna pièce de rechange, njo spare ya kubadilisha. Alafu akatupatia hizo stove kusudi tuweze kuuzisha, tupate pesa tutengeneze mashine. Alituletea mbabula 25 ikatusaidia sana kabisa, ilitusaidia kutengeneza mashine. Na ndio maana mpaka sasa hii tungali tuna supporte, tungali tunajitahidi.
Na nimeshukuru sana kwa hiki kikundi ya udari.
What I have benefited from this place, I have learned to work, how I can survive in life.
Kwetu tulikimbia usalama mdogo. Hiyo usalama mdogo ndio ilisababisha tunafika hapa. Na wakati tulifika hapa na tangu saa hii tunasikia maisha inaenda vizuri. Na kisha mwaka moja nikaanza kusoma masomo kwenye business school na skills ya FRC hapa kampu. Na hapo tukapata wazo ya kusema tunaweza kuunda kundi ya wamama, sababu tuliona kama wamama wana shida mingi sana. Ilibidi kuweka wamama fasi moja, kuwaonesha nini wanaweza kufanya kusudi waweze kujaribu kusaidia jamaa.
We recognize the importance of being self-reliant, of having control over your own means. When these women are supported to set up small businesses from which they can earn, that really improves not only their physical lives, but also is a coping mechanism for them. For many of them have gone through traumatic experiences. They're able to use these income-generating projects as a way to heal, both for themselves and their children, plus their families.
I have a family, I have a husband, I have even this one is my firstborn. So the way I can survive, I can be coming here. I know many things, how to make clothes. If I know how to make, I can survive. I can get, if it's like clothes to wear, something to eat. So this is how this work has made me to survive.
Kila mama mwenye alikuwa na ujuzi yake fulani, iko na skills yake fulani, anakuja kwenye kikundi, anafundisha mwenye ajue, alafu tunafundishana. Tukaanza kufanya mchango kidogo kidogo, ilikuwa 2000 wakati ile, kila mwezi 2000. Kila mtu anafanya kazi kidogo kidogo. Kama kazi najaa, unatia kwa bei. Ukiuza, unakamata 10%. Ndio tulikuwa tunatia mfuko ya kikundi.
They will be able to contribute more meaningfully to society, to their community, to their lives, as they are empowered economically to earn a living.
Wakia kutufundisha, watuletea mwalimu mzuri sana, Christina alikuwa kutufundisha juu business. Alitufundisha mzuri sana. Hapa sasa hii kuna wamama waliparticipate kwa hiyo skills. Kuna Diane, kuna Riziki, ni wawili tu ndio waliparticipate. Ilikuwa mzuri sana mpaka sasa hii tunafaidika na hiyo skills.
Baraka sikirema.
Nakivale challenges are many.
Wababa kwanza nyumbani hawana kazi, kufanya kila kitu, mzigo wa jamaa yote anaacha kwa mama.
Nilimaliza kushona nikakosa kazi ya kufanya, nikafikia mama hapa, nikampa shida nilikuwa nayo, akaniambia kuhusu kikundi yetu tuna pesa. Nayo pesa itatusaidia kukopa wamoja wa mama kurudisha.
Wanaweza penda wapate mtu wa kumsupport na mashine moja, anaenda nao nyumbani kwake, anatumika kwake, anakuwa analipa kidogo kidogo, hiyo itasaidia. Lakini angelikuwa na mashine yake, kama anaenda ikala hata sokoni, hata barabarani, anatumika kazi ya 500, mwisho ya siku anapata ration kwa watoto wake.
In a day in my tailoring, I can earn like 5,000 shillings.
Tunaweka kila wiki 1,000, kila wiki, kila Friday 1,000 tunaweka. Hata katikati ya wale kuna mwenye alipata loan, ni Jan alipata loan, ilikuwa tu mitwaro 10 ndio alipata, kusudi aangalie gisi ya kufanya.
Akanisaidia, wakanipatia 100,000. Nikaenda nikafanya kazi, nikauzisha samaki. Nimeuzisha miezi 5. Mwiyo miezi 5 nikalipia mtoto wangu masomo, nikapata pesa kununua sabuni, mafuta, chakula, ikanisaidia. Na kidogo nikakuwa narudisha kwenye konti yangu na nikaendelesha kulipa hiyo 1,000 kwenye konti yetu ya kikundi hodari.
Mwisho wa mwaka, kwa sababu kuna mwaka mmoja tuligawanya faida, kasaidia wamama wakafurahi. Na hata nyumbani katika familia, wakati anauzisha faida, anabeba nyumbani, inasaidia kuemea chakula, kulipia watoto masomo, kana anapata ujuzi, anapata skill ya mpya yenyewe inamsaidia.
In my life, I really want to be a tailor, to know to sew everything like clothes. So for me, my dream in life, I want to be a tailor. I plan to have a tailoring shop, because if I know, it will help even other women to know work.
Balaka sikilema kizarikio kiabakambo tumba.